Imagine you are planning your dream trip. You have packed your bags, booked your flight, and picked the perfect destination. But suddenly, hidden fees pop up and your travel budget takes a hit. Sounds familiar? Right now, what if I told you that you can travel smarter and save more without paying any annual fee at all? Yes, today, I am going to show you the top 5 travel credit cards in the USA that come with zero annual fee and still offer powerful travel rewards, cashback, and benefits. In this video, you will learn which cards give you free miles, which ones help you book flights and hotels without any blackout dates, and which cards even give you bonus offers. Just for signing up and spending a little, every month you will also see how these cards can help you save big on travel. Earn points on every purchase and avoid those sneaky foreign transaction fees. We will go step by step. I will explain every card in a simple and easy way. No confusing words, no long boring talk, just straight to the point with real benefits. So you can understand clearly and choose the best card for your travel style. And one more thing, if you watch this video till the very end, I have a special gift for you. A secret tip that most people never share, a bonus that will help you boost your rewards even more. But you have to stay with me till the last second to get it. So are you ready to unlock the world of travel without paying annual fees? Then stay tuned because we are just getting started. Let's start with card number 1, which is the Discover It Miles Credit Card. This card is one of the best beginner-friendly travel cards in the USA, with no annual fee at all and a very simple reward system that anyone can understand. With this card, you earn unlimited 1.5 miles for every dollar you spend, no matter what you buy: groceries, gas bills, shopping, or online purchases. Every dollar earns you travel miles automatically, and there are no rotating categories or complicated rules.